Teachers encourage students to listen English music. Is it important, or
Of course.
is it necessary to improve? Listening skill,
Of course,
speaking
of course,
skill,
of
English
course.
skill.
Yes, I do agree. I do agree because when I was in the UK, my university professors always suggested us to watch movies as many as possible and to listen to English podcast, to BBC News, to the foreign speakers, to non-native speakers anywhere. So if you keep listening, or if you take help from the subtitles, if you remember the dialogues in the movies, it helps you tremendously in your social life, because as a viewer we have a tendency to copy the actor or actresses. If you continuously follow the actor and actresses, it becomes very easier for us to shape our pronunciation. So in order to improve our pronunciation, I think listening or TV watching or movie watching is a great help.